Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Edge 30 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So let's first open the Play Store application and then here in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, so tap to install and then wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just open here the application and click enable in settings. After that, just tap here to the switcher near the green Apple keyboard, tap to OK, again OK, and then just go back here, click to the switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. And now we can see that the process is finished, and let's just go to back to the, for example, to the apps menu into the app search to see here the look of new our device keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one with all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.